Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Want to go beyond simple discount codes in Shopify? In this video, I will show you how to create advanced discount rules, caps, conditions, and eligibility so your promos stay powerful and profitable. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more Shopify growth hacks. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Advanced Coupons and click on Product Discount and click on Create Product Discount. Now, I have to add some title. I am adding here as Sale Time and choosing the either I can choose the automatic discount or a code discount. For now, I am adding it for the code and I can add, I'm giving the same title as the code here, sale 10, and I can also combine with the this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or shipping discount. And I can also limit the number of time this discount can be used in total. I am just adding it for 100. And I can also limit this discount can be used per customer only one time. Here comes the crucial part. Here we can set some rules and we can have multiple rules like on clicking add new condition. We can have multiple rules and we can also set all condition must match or any condition must match. So if we are choosing all condition must match, then the following conditions, conditions should be satisfied. If we are choosing any condition must match, then the check will be for only one condition to be get satisfied. So for now I am adding it for all condition must match and I am adding new conditions. So my first condition will be total amount will be let's say greater than 1000 and I can have one more condition here. So I'm adding a customer has a tag which is a VIP one. So I have two conditions and the offer will be applied only when these two conditions are got matched. And I can add new actions here. So we can give some actions on discount. I'm setting it for all my products because this discount should be applied for all the products. And I'm adding a percentage of a discount for let's say 10 and a capping amount of 100. Yeah. Now I'm not adding any more conditions or actions here. And after adding all these details, I'm saving the changes. Now we can check whether our discount code is got activated. Now you can see that sale 10 is got activated. Now I'm copying this and I'm checking with the VIP tag customer. So you can see that the email ID is belongs to the VIP customer. Now let's test this setup in our online store. Let's go to the product section. Now I am trying to buy a product of worth 785. I'm adding our VIP customer details here and sale 10 as our code here. It says that it's not valid for this product because we have already set up our condition as the cart value should be higher than 1000. So this sale 10 code will not be applied here. Let's test with some other products now. So I'm trying to buy this product of worth 5000. Now I'm adding our sale 10 code here. Yeah, it says that the sale 10 is valid since we didn't added any details of our VIP customer. This code is not get activated. So I'm adding my VIP customer tag here and I'm Applying the code again. Now you can see that the discount code is got applied successfully and a capping amount of 100 is got deducted from the MRP. Even though the 10 percentage of 5,000 is 500, our capping amount makes sure that the amount will not be exceed beyond the 100. So with these rules, you control exactly who gets the discount, when, and how much. So here is a tip for you. If you need any advanced option beyond what I have explained here, you can always reach out to the support team from the app. They will help customize the app for you as per your store's need. So that's how you you are setting up the more advanced conditions for your discounts. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out from your online store. Thanks for watching.